Want to wake up your body's hidden superpowers? It's all about something called Hormesis, using a little bit of stress to make you way stronger. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest biohacks, thermal cycling. Think of it as a reboot for your cells, waking them up from a long nap. First, let's get cold. When you expose yourself to cold, like a cold shower, your brain releases special cold shock proteins. One, called RBM3, is like a bodyguard for your brain cells, protecting them from damage. The cold also tells your body to convert that stubborn white fat into metabolically active brown fat, helping you burn more calories. Plus, it's amazing for flushing out inflammation. Now, let's turn up the heat. A good sauna session does more than just make you sweat. The heat helps your proteins fold into their correct shapes, which is crucial for every single function in your body. It also boosts growth hormone, fantastic for repairing skin and muscle, and gives your heart a great workout, improving cardiovascular health. The real magic happens when you combine them. Alternating between hot and cold creates a powerful vascular pump. Your blood vessels constrict and dilate, flushing out waste through your lymphatic system. You don't need to overdo it. It's all about the minimum effective dose to get the maximum benefit. You can start this at home. Try ending your warm shower with 30 seconds of cold water, or find a local gym with a sauna. Just remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and talk to your doctor first, especially if you have any health conditions. Start small, track how you feel, and you might just notice yourself feeling younger and more energetic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on upgrading your life.